guys, welcome back to my channel. We have some incredible deals for Walgreens at curbside pickup this week, so I wanted to put together a dedicated video, share with you guys all the amazing deals that you can score online, stacking some digital coupons, the amazing booster that everyone got this week, and how you guys can score $65 worth of products for free and a $13 moneymaker. So I have a ton of different scenarios for you guys in this video. That way you can mix and match and put together whatever kind of deals works best for you based on the products that you actually need. So let's pop over to my computer so we can get started. All right, the first thing you guys are gonna wanna do is click the link below in the description box for Rakuten. If you are a new user of Rakuten, I am partnering with them for this video. They have an amazing bonus right now. When you spend $40 out of pocket, you're gonna get $40 cash back plus the percent back the store offers. So when you click that link, you're gonna create a completely free account with Rakuten. Then at the top, you're gonna search for Walgreens. Now you can do this on your phone or you can do it on a computer. I'm just showing you guys on a computer. So here's Walgreens right here. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna take you right over to the regular Walgreens website. Super easy. Now you can log into whatever account you want for Walgreens. And let's get into the products that you're going to be adding to your cart. As you can see, I have the extension downloaded as well. Highly recommend that because say I'm on a website like Belk or Kohl's or Macy's or Nike or one of the thousands of stores that Rakuten works with. If I forget, right, we're all moving so fast. If I forget to start with Rakuten, this little thing will pop up and say, hey, you can earn X amount of cash back. All you have to do is click a button to activate it, and then it works and you'll get the cash back. So it's kind of a fail-safe in case you forget to start with Rakuten. So I highly recommend downloading the Rakuten extension. That is a lifesaver and it has helped me get so much more in additional cash back just from clicking that one button. So the first thing is right here for Walgreens, you're gonna see earn $10 in rewards on $35 or more, plus they're doing free 1-hour delivery, which is amazing. I still have it set for curbside pickup. That's just what I prefer to do. But if you want to do 1-hour delivery, you definitely can. So what you're going to do, it shows here that the offer is clipped. I already clipped mine and I did already use mine. So you're not going to see it in the totals at the end, but I will calculate it with that $10 in Walgreens cash coming through. Because if you haven't used that booster yet, then you'll definitely be able to get that $10 back. Now that does expire on Saturday. So you're going to want to make sure that you use it before you lose it and before it expires. There is a sneak peek coupon available for next week as well, so I'm going to get into that in just a second. So you want to make sure that you clip the coupon, and this is what it looks like. So if you go over to savings, coupons, and then go to your clipped coupons, you're going to see it right here. So it does expire on the 25th, so you want to make sure you have 3 days left to go ahead and use that. Again, I did already use mine, but these boosters are a one-time use booster. So even though they're still in my clipped folder and not my redeemed folder, boosters are a one-time use. That is a question I get quite often. So let's pop over and start putting together our first scenario for what you guys can grab this week. So Eucerin products this week are buy one, get one half off, and you can use this code at checkout, code Eucerin. You'll save another $10 when you spend $20 worth. So what I did is I added one of these daily protections with SPF to my cart. Then you're also gonna add one of these hydrating foaming cleansers. This one is the cheaper product at $12.99. So this one will be half off. Now you wanna make sure the total for both of these products is $20 or more. Grabbing both of these, your total is $20.48. So you're good to go. So down here is where you're gonna enter the promo code Eucerin. So you can see it right here, took off the $10, amazing. The next deal we're gonna grab is on Snickers. So we'll have some Snickers for the holidays. Doesn't have to be the Snickers almond. It can be whatever variety that you like. This is just the 3 that I added to my cart. They're on sale 3 for $3, making them $1 a piece. And you wanna clip this 33% off monthly savings book. This is a Walgreens store digital coupon. Takes off 33 cents per product that you're buying, which is amazing. So you're gonna go ahead and add 3 of them to your cart to be able to get that deal. If you only add 1, it's gonna be $1.99, and then it's definitely not a good deal on candy. The next product you're gonna grab is the Be Cool Cooling Gel Sheets for migraines. They are $5.99. There is a code when you spend $30, but we're not gonna be completing that, so we're not gonna be able to add that code to our cart, but there is another $3 store digital coupon. Now you know it's a store digital because it says monthly savings book. So that's how you know it is a Walgreens digital coupon and not a manufacturer digital coupon. So add one of those to your cart. Then we are going to be doing the Head & Shoulders deal. Online, they are buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash. They are $6 each. They work with the spend booster, and there is a $3 off manufacturer coupon. See how it says manufacturer? So that's how you can tell the difference when you're shopping online, just as another little strategy for you guys. So you're gonna add 2 to your cart, make sure that you clip this coupon. And you're gonna earn $4 in Walgreens cash, so I'll show you where it shows that at the end. Few more products we're grabbing is some Colgate. Now the Colgate deal is better in store because you're getting rewards back, but if you don't want to go in store, I know we're all super busy this week, you can still grab the deal online. At the end of the day, doing this scenario, it all winds up being free and a moneymaker anyways, so no worries. The Colgate Optic White is actually my favorite toothpaste to use. They're $4.50 each on sale, and there is a 5 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon, so make sure you clip that, and then you're gonna add 2 of those to your cart. If you don't want to do the Optic White, that's fine. You can do Colgate Total. You can do any of the other Colgate products that are included. So mix and match and pick whatever works best for you. Then this is a cool little stocking stuffer idea. So the Colgate Sonic toothbrush, it's an electric toothbrush. So there is a $4 off one manufacturer coupon or a $5 off one manufacturer coupon. So you want to clip the higher value digital coupon, of course. It's $8.99, so that would make it $3.99. So you're gonna add one of those to your cart. And then we have one more product that we're gonna add to make sure that we are at the right amount out of pocket for this deal. We're gonna grab some Hershey's Kisses Grinch. They are on sale for $2.99 this week, and there's 2 different coupons that you're gonna clip. 50 cents off one for the monthly savings book, store coupon, and the $2 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So those are gonna stack and work together, so you're gonna add 2 to your cart. So let's go over the totals and what this is gonna wind up being. Here is your order summary. So you have $65 worth of product value. You have $14.99 worth of promos and coupons. So these are gonna be the store coupons coming off. We're picking it up, so it's free. We have some taxes, of course, and then we have our manufacturer coupons. So you're gonna pay $42.58 out of pocket. Now, you do not wanna use Walgreens cash on that. You wanna go ahead and pay that out of pocket because you have to be at $40 out of pocket before taxes. So if you take $42.58 and you subtract $2.13, you're at $40.45. So you just meet the threshold. That way you'll get back that $40 new user bonus from being a new Rakuten member. You're also gonna get 2% cash back, which is on the subtotal, which is awesome. So 2% of this is about $1.30. Now, here is your estimated Walgreens cash. You have that digital booster available. Again, I've already used mine. So yours should show $14.50 back in Walgreens cash. So that is gonna make your final cost for all of these products free and a $13.22 moneymaker, which is incredible. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions on this. Let me show you a couple more deals that you can mix and match and kind of switch out. Again, as long as your total out of pocket is $40 before taxes. You're gonna take this estimated total, subtract the taxes, make sure you're at $40 or more, then you'll be good to go to get the Rakuten $40 cash back. Another great deal that you can swap in and out or add to your transaction if you'd like is some Huggies baby wipes. So online, it's cheaper than in-store. In-store, they're 2 for $18. Online, they're 2 for $16. And there's 2 different coupons that are stacking. We have a 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So you're gonna click the plus sign, that's gonna activate the coupon. We also have a $1.50 off one, again in the monthly savings book. So you're gonna click that. And then you're gonna be able to add both of those to your cart. So we're gonna do 2, add them to pickup, and that's gonna add the products to our cart. So that's another really good deal that you guys can do. There's also some really cheap toilet paper that you can add. So Scott products are on sale every single month. They're either buy one, get one half off, or there's a coupon in the monthly savings book. So you can add a Scott toilet paper for $5. You could add a paper towel for $5. And as you can see here, there is the $1.25 coupon from the monthly savings book. So you wanna make sure that you click that. That's gonna make it $3.75. This will work on as many as you want. So if you buy 5 of them, the $1.25, if it's a monthly savings book digital coupon, it'll come off of every single one that you have in your cart. So keep that in mind. If you buy 1 toilet paper, 1 paper towel, you'll save $2.50 off in your checkout cart because it'll take off $1.25 per product. So there's a ton of different deals that you guys can do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed my online deals video, if you want me to start doing more curbside deals and things for you guys, let me know in the comments and smash that like button for me. And I will see you guys next time. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving.